Hi everybody, I am opening and testing out this brand new 2K wireless battery operated security camera today. So I really like this camera mainly because it's completely wireless and it has this solar panel battery that is going to charge the camera. You don't have to worry about charging the battery, taking it down, taking it inside. You have this solar panel that is going to keep your battery charged, and it's 100% wire free. So it's super easy to set up. You don't have to worry about cords. You don't have to worry about hardwiring this camera. It should work really well. So here's just a few instances where you can use it. You can have it in the doorway, in your backyard, inside also if you wanted to use it inside for security. It just shows a few different things that it has. Again, we talked about the rechargeable battery. It does have motion detection that's going to send you an alert on the app anytime that there's motion. So you can set that to be as sensitive as you'd like. It also has two-way audio, so you can talk to people through the camera and they can also talk to you. Color night vision, it's totally weatherproof, and it also will support a micro SD card. So if you want to have storage directly from the camera, you can do that as well. So here on the side is some QR codes for you, and these are going to help you connect to the app so you can easily get the camera set up and running. Again, no cords. Download that app and you will be ready to go. So let's open up this box and see what is inside. All right, so first thing you see is this warranty card that comes with the camera, and you can just go down that QR code and get the warranty set up for you. Okay, and the next thing inside is the solar panel battery. So I love that this comes with this solar panel because some cameras you have to buy it separate, but this one comes with it already in the box for you. And also inside is the user manual, so it will tell you everything about how to set up and install your camera and get it ready and going. Just how to do the power button, how to set up the app, where the SD card is. Really everything is right here for you. Nice color pictures, so it'll be very easy to set up and start working right away. So here again, the solar panel has this nice long cord, so you can stretch it to the camera and it will work really well. You can get it so that it's getting optimum light. So you want to have that in as much direct sunlight as possible. Here is just some mounting hardware to mount the camera. If you want to have it permanently on your house, you would just screw those in. The camera would connect right here, and you can kind of angle this however you'd like. Here is some more mounting hardware for the solar panel. So you have one thing for the camera itself and one for the solar panel. Again, very adjustable, and you can twist it however you'd like. You can also charge the camera just through a USB. It comes with this charging port right here. So if you needed to charge it without the solar panel, you can as well. And here is the camera itself. So you can see it's a nice good size, so it's not too small, not too big, but it will easily blend right into your house and not be too noticeable. It has these two antennas, so you can adjust these to get the perfect frequency and get them your camera nice and set up and connected to your internet and to your phone. It does have this protective seal that comes on it so that it was completely scratch free, but you can see that really, really nice big camera and that is going to give you a really good picture and view. Here on the bottom is where you're going to set up the power. You can just peel this back, and that is where you could put in an SD card, or it's going to be where you plug in your solar camera, or if you wanted to charge it right there, you would charge it. There's the power button to turn it on, and also a reset button if you ever need to reset the camera. Here is also the speaker, so if you're going to be talking to people through the camera, you would use that speaker. So once you have the app downloaded, you're going to choose your device. So you can kind of scroll through and see which device you have. So I selected my camera, but you can see if you can use the same app with all different kinds of devices. So it is super useful.
Hold the device
and you can connect all your cameras and monitor them in one spot. So once I found my camera, I just held the button to start the camera. The light started blinking and I was ready to connect. Once it turned on, I had to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi and then scan the QR code using the camera. A QR code popped up on my screen and I just scanned that with the camera and it worked well.
Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Device scan the code. Connecting. Please wait a moment.
once the camera was connected to the network, I got a notice that said that the ad was successful and that the camera was ready to use. So I just put the camera where I was going to install it. Right now I was just setting it up in my living room, as you can see, and I was just wanted to test it out. So you can see the crystal clear picture right there. It gave me a few tips. You can name the camera, so if you have multiple, you can easily see which one is which, and it had a few little icons that will help you use the app. So a start here button, for example, just showed you where to get started using the app. So there is the picture, and you can see all the different buttons that the app offers. You can hit the record, you can take a photo, you can change the lighting, you can do a two-way talk through the app, you can look at your history and see if there's any history in videos or anything that you can look back on, just anything that was recorded. You do need to connect to your phone. If you open the camera right there, it just turns sideways and does a full picture. You can see the timestamp, the date right up in the top corner there. And again, you can add your notifications so you can get any alerts if there is motion at your camera. And again, very easy to use app, super simple. So I then brought the camera outside and installed it outside. And again, very clear picture. You can see how everything is super clear. You see the cars going by, you see people walking, you see everything in real time, and you can see this right on the app, or you can see it on the SD card, or you can download it from the cloud as well. So I hope you found this helpful, and this camera was definitely very useful, and I would highly recommend it. So thanks everybody, and have a good night.